Hello all and welcome to this channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you LKG English worksheet. Please watch this video till end that how you can prepare the worksheet at home for your kids with a very simple drawings, colorings and writing. Now let's start. Write the letters from A to Z. A. Here I have given both the letters capital A and small a. So kid needs to write both capital and small. A, B, capital B, small b. C, D, E, F. Like this they need to write till Z. Next is write the missing alphabets. They have to write small alphabets here, small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like this, they need to write till Z. Next one, find the odd one out. You have to find here odd one out. Here you can see small a, small c, a. So the odd one is C. Next one is E, I, E. So the odd one is I. Like this you have to find the odd one out. Next one, write the missing alphabets. Here kids need to write capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Like this, need to write the capital alphabets. Next one is circle the small letters. Here I have jumbled capital and small alphabets. So kids needs to find out where is the small letters. Like B, A, it's capital B, small a. So small letter A, circle here. Capital C, small letter E, capital D. Here next one you can see small m. So circle the small m, capital L, S, T, small t. And next A, capital A, K, capital K, smaller. Circle the smaller. Small d, circle small d. P, it's capital P. Next is match the capital letters with its small letters. So what you have to do? Yeah, this side I have given capital letters and this side small letters. So you have to match it. Capital B, so very small b, small b. Capital G, small g. So you have to find it out and you have to match it with a small g. Capital F, then small f. Match it here with a small f. Like this, you have to match capital and small. Next one, match the following with the first letter of the image. So here they have to find it out according to the image. The first letter they have to match. Suppose here it's a grapes. The first letter of grapes is G. So where is G here? G. So G. So you can see it's a mango. The first letter of mango is M. So where is M? Here is M. This is a picture of a cup. The first letter of cup is C. So where is C? Here. So they have to match it according to the first letter with the image. Next here, write the missing letters. So here what they have to find, you have to see the picture and they have to see the missing letter, where which letter is missing. Like this is a picture of a leaf. So L, I, P, lip. 10, T, E, N, 10. Hat, H, A, T, hat. Car, C, A, R, car. It's a picture of a net. N, E, T, net. So actually here we have to give the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. Within that you have to give, according to the vowels only, we have to give the missing letters like I, E, A, E, like that. Next one, circle the correct letter. You have to see the picture. Here also you have to see the picture and you have to circle the correct letter. Like this is an umbrella. Umbrella starts with which letter? U. So you have to circle with U. B, no, T, no. It's a picture of a flower. So flower starts with letter F. So is it start with S? No. U, no, F. So need to circle F. Flower starts with letter F. House. You can see the picture of a house. So house starts with letter H. You can see here is letter H. So circle it H. Next is, it's a picture of a sun. So where is S? Sun starts with letter S. So you can see here is S. So they need to circle S. Next one is, write the first letter of the picture. So here they have to see and they have to write the first letter. As it is the first letter, so the kids need to write with the capital letters. Like this is a picture of an apple. So apple starts with letter A. So need to write here A. Leaf. This is a picture of a leaf. L. Here this is a picture of a flag. So you have to write F. Ring. This is a picture of a ring. So ring starts R. R. Next one is, so circle the capital letters. So need to here circle here only capital letters. See, you can see the capital A. Yes, capital A. Capital F. Capital T. Capital R. Like this, you need to circle here only the capital letters. Next one is, connect all the C's letter and color it. Here I have given a picture, so you need to connect all the dots like this, and then you need to color it. If you make a dot, if you connect all the dots, you can see a picture of a cup. See, like this. So connect all the dots. Like this, you can connect all the dots. Then you need to color it. Next one, color the cone ice cream with letter I, and whether it is small capital I or small I, you need to color those ice cream which starts with letter I. See here D. So no, D is not the correct one. I. Yes, I is here. It's capital I. So need to color here capital I. So here you need to color it. B. No, B also not the correct one. Next one is small I. Yes, this ice cream also need to color it. K. No, I. Capital I. Here this ice cream you need to color. M. No, this is not the right one. Capital I also here, so you need to color this ice cream. Like this you have to color it. Next one is, color the capital M. So what we have to do? We need to color this capital M. You can see a picture of a mango. So where we have written the capital M, we need to color that mango. So capital M is here. So color here capital M. This mango, yellow color. Next, S. No, this is not the right one. M is here. So you need to color this M, this mango. Here also, no, this is small m, so need not write here, need not color this one. This is also capital M, so color this mango. Like this, you have to find it out. You have to identify where is capital M. Now then you have to color it. You can give any alphabet. So here I have given capital M. You can give any alphabet. Next one is write the alphabetical order. Write in alphabetical order. Like I have jumbled here A, D, B, C. You can ask two kids to write in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. Next, H, E, G, F. E, F, G, H. Like this, they need to write in alphabetical order. So this is all about for today's LKG English worksheet. Please go through this worksheet. If you find this worksheet helpful to you, please give a thumbs up to my channel, to this video, and like, share and subscribe to this channel Somna Kids World for more videos. Thank you for watching.